Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving into the world of social connection. If you've ever wondered how to use Facebook, hang in there because we're here to help. Step 1. Get started, open Facebook, access the Facebook app if you're using a mobile device. This will take you to the Facebook login page if you are not currently logged into your Facebook account. Create a Facebook account. You can do this on both the desktop version of Facebook and in the Facebook mobile app. Step 2. Navigate your Facebook page. 3. Visit your Facebook page, tap Menu, in the bottom or top right corner of the screen, then tap your name at the top of the resulting menu. Step 3. Select the pen icon in the upper right corner. Step 4. You will edit your photos and personal information one by one. 1. Add personal profile image. Tap the square profile photo icon at the top of the page, select the photo and tap Use. You can also add a cover photo by clicking or tapping Add Cover Photo and selecting a photo. 2. Edit profile information. Click Edit to edit the Details or Bio section. 3. You can also choose special highlights that best suit you to show on your profile. Step 5. Save changes. Click or tap Save on the page where you made the changes to apply them to your profile. After editing, Facebook will update this information immediately so you can use it immediately. Wishing you a great experience using social networks. Thank you for watching the video.